Are you struggling to choose the perfect dissertation topic? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll walk you through smart strategies to pick a topic that not only interests you, but also grabs your supervisor's attention. Whether you're stuck brainstorming ideas or unsure what your university expects, we've got the tips, tricks, and insider advice to help you stand out. Let's make your dissertation the strongest part of your academic journey. Watch till the end for bonus topic hacks. Don't forget to subscribe for more dissertation tips and academic success strategies. Need expert help with your dissertation? WhatsApp use anytime at +1 646 948 8918. Visit https www.assignmentconsultancy.com dissertation services. Just ping us in the comments or WhatsApp for any help or questions you have. Choosing a dissertation topic is not just an academic task, it's a strategic decision that affects your entire research journey. The right topic keeps you motivated, helps maintain consistent quality, and lays a strong foundation for future career paths. On the other hand, a weak topic could result in low engagement and a mediocre dissertation. Start by finding a subject area you're passionate about. Then evaluate its academic scope, data availability, and relevance to current industry or academic trends. It's also important to consider your supervisor's area of interest. This increases the likelihood of strong mentorship and approval. A well-aligned topic not only impresses your supervisor, but also leads to insightful, impactful research. Think of it as the blueprint for the months of work ahead. Get it right, and everything else flows more smoothly. To come up with a strong dissertation topic, use structured brainstorming techniques. Mind mapping is a great place to start. It helps you visually connect broad themes to more focused subtopics. Check out recent journal articles, award-winning dissertations, and current issues in your field to see what's trending and what gaps exist in current research. Another valuable source is industry white papers and case studies. These provide real-world problems that can be converted into research questions. Don't forget to seek input from faculty members, alumni, or even academic forums. They often have insights into what has worked well in the past and what's considered original or impressive. These sources collectively can help you find a focused, feasible, and academically relevant idea that stands out. Once you've brainstormed a few topics, you need to evaluate and refine them. Consider criteria like originality. Is this a unique angle? Relevance. Is it aligned with current trends or academic needs? Feasibility. Can you realistically conduct the research given time, resources, and access to data? For each idea, draft a few possible research questions to assess depth and scope. Avoid topics that are too broad, as they're hard to handle, or too narrow, as they may lack depth or data. A quick preliminary literature review will help you understand what work has already been done and whether your topic can contribute something new. This critical evaluation process ensures that you settle on a focused, researchable topic that will hold your and your supervisor's interest. To truly impress your supervisor, make sure your topic connects to their area of expertise or recent publications. Supervisors are more engaged when they see relevance to their own work. Demonstrate that you've identified a gap in the literature and that your dissertation offers academic or practical value. Clearly communicate how your research can contribute to solving a problem or improving understanding in the field. It helps to have a mini proposal ready, just a one-page summary or a 2-minute pitch that explains what your topic is, why it's important, and how you'll approach it. This shows preparation, clarity, and commitment, all traits that supervisors appreciate in a student. Before you finalize your topic, do some practical checks. Do you have access to the necessary data, tools, or research participants? There's no point choosing a topic that's impossible to investigate. Ensure that your topic meets the academic requirements of your course. Some programs have specific themes or frameworks. Also, ask yourself if the topic genuinely interests you and can keep you engaged over 6 to 12 months. Boredom or frustration midway through the dissertation is often a result of poor topic selection. Finally, get informal feedback from your peers, professors, or academic advisors. Sometimes, an external perspective can help you catch things you've missed. Doing these checks will confirm your decision and prepare you to start strong with your dissertation.